Hey there, Tanmay here. Today I'm gonna share you a story. The purpose of that story is that I want to tell you that why being yourself is very important. I was thinking of telling people that be yourself, and I'm glad that I came across this story of Vikram Edke. Someone shared this on Facebook, and that's the best way to tell you that why being yourself is important, because nowadays people are trying to be someone else and they're living someone else's life, and that's not gonna help them to go far. That's not gonna help them to put, it's not winning strategy. Being yourself is the best thing you can do for yourself and your career. So how? Let me share the story. I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business on your side. Now, raise the money, hire experts, and go. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content. So the story is that few years ago, Ranu Madol was very famous, got fame by singing a song of Lata Mangeshkar. So when Lata understood this story, she came across the news. Lata ma'am gave advice from her experience that initially you will get fame by singing a song like someone else, but if this is not sustainable, only if the singer tries to find his own voice and gives his own value, he gives his own flavor, then it's sustainable. So what happened? Many critics came and they just told and spread news that Lata ma'am cannot take this to the fame. Lata ma'am couldn't see the publicity of Ranu Madol and all. But critics did not know that Lata ma'am is Bharat Ratna. So whatever happens, whatever any singer comes and go, whatever the publicity, if any singer is getting that time by singing her song, it's not gonna affect Lata ma'am's future and career, because she has experience and she has Bharat Ratna and again has experience of more 50-60 years of singing, and it's not gonna harm her. Actually, she was giving honest advice to Ranu Madol that if you find your own voice, it's sustainable. That's what is happening. People are just copying someone else and using secondary face mask, and they're trying to grow. You can grow at a certain level, but after that you have to put your uniqueness and your flavor. That will help you to grow and you will be sustainable. What happened? Where is Ranu Madol today? Lata ma'am is there and Ranu Madol has lost. This happened because Ranu Madol did not take this advice seriously, or maybe whatever her own faults as well there. But what is I am going to tell you that if you find your own uniqueness and if you be what you are, then and only then you will make the long-term thing. That's very important. Another thing is Baba Saheb Purandare. He used to do copies and naklas of people. And what happened someday? Savarkar came and told him that everything is good, but you have to find your own uniqueness. You have to find your own thing. So what happened? If this could have happened, this would have happened nowadays, then social media have told Savarkar and all things might have happened. But what happened? Baba Saheb Purandare took his advice very positively, and look what happened. So it's up to you. People will criticize, people will tell you that you have to do this thing, you have to do this thing, but it's your thinking. You have to take the advice, think on it, then you have to just act on what is right and what is wrong. It's your responsibility. Many people who are biggies, who are trying to tell people do this, but people are thinking that these people are just criticizing me on and all. This is not true. Why don't you think for a while that what will happen and why they are giving this advice and what is the aim behind this? So that's what that's what I want to say, that please don't be a copy of someone else. Try to find your own unique flavor. There are many examples, but that's what I want to tell you today. And thank you for watching. Be unique, be yourself. Thank you.